Hi, Miles. Hi, Peter. I wonder why Iron Man called us here today.
Who is Iron Man now?
Hi, Spidey Team. Thanks for meeting me at the park. I'm going to help you be the best team that you can be. I've created 11 challenges for you to complete. Each challenge completed correctly will earn you a clue. Earn all 11 clues and you will have everything you need to be an amazing team.
Sounds great.
Your first challenge is to sort items into the correct pile by the starting sound of each item. But be on high alert because the villains heard you are trying to become a great team, so I wouldn't put it past them to try to stop you.
Where did they find the items?
Right on time. Here they come now. Each of these items begin with an M sound or a T sound. Sort the objects with the right letter sound. When you have 6 objects with each letter, ring the bell and I will check your answers. Good luck!
Okay, guys, let's get started. I grabbed a mouse from the pile. I know the letter M says and the letter T says T. Mouse starts with a sound, so it must go with the letter M. What do you guys think? Do you agree?
That sounds good, Gwen. Yeah!
Okay, I put the mouse with the letter M.
I found teeth. Teeth begins with T. Let's put with the T's.
Great job, Miles.
I found a tiger.
What does tiger start with?
T.
We better put it with the T's. I found a mirror. Mirror starts with Let's put it with the M. There's Spidey and his friends. It looks like they're sorting those pieces into piles. They can't win a prize to become a team if they don't have all their pieces. I found a milk. Milk starts with a sound. I bet we can put that with the M too.
Tomato starts with a T sound. Let's put with the T's.
Mug starts with a sound. Let's stick it with the M's. Taking 1 piece is good. Taking 2 pieces would definitely be better. I'm gonna stop those Spideys.
I have a towel. Towel starts with T. Let's put with the T's.
My Spidey senses are tingling. Everybody, webs out.
Not so fast, Doc.
Well, if it isn't Spin, Ghost Spider, and Spidey, I'm not surprised your Spidey senses were tingling. It's gonna be hard to win this challenge without all of the pieces.
This is your last chance to give it back, Doc.
Well, you know what they say. Catch me, if you can.
One, two, three.
Thwip! Oh, drats. You spiders always mess up everything!
Thanks for the mailbox.
You may have the mailbox, but you'll never find the item I already took. Better luck next time, Spideys.
I made Spider-Bot to help us. Her name is Tracy. Can you scan the area, Tracy?
Tracy, can you search for anything out of place? Zzz, zzz. Beep boop boop beep boop. beep, 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 beep. I think she found something. Look, Tracy found a mop hidden behind this tree. Mop starts with the sound. That goes with M. Great job, Tracy.
Good job, Tracy. Mailbox starts with Let's put this with the M's.
Yeah, let's sort the rest of our objects. I moved the mailbox and the mop to the M pile. Miles, what did you find?
I found a turkey. Turkey starts with a T sound. Let's put it with the T's. I found a turtle. Turtle sound with T.
Where should we put the turtle?
With the T's.
Great job, team. Let's go over our items to make sure we have 6 items before we ring that bell and bring Iron Man back. On our M side, we have milk, a mug, a mailbox, a mouse, a mop, and a mirror. Let's check out our T side. For our T's, we have a tiger, a turkey, teeth, a towel, a turtle, and a tomato. That's 6 items. Let's ring that bell and bring Iron Man back.
Peter, Gwen, and Miles, great work sorting your objects into M and T piles. Your piles all have 6 objects that start with the right sound. You worked together to solve this challenge and defeated Doc Ock. You are well on your way to becoming a great team. Here is your first clue.
Wow, the letter W.
Next time I see you, it will be time for Challenge 2. Do you think you are ready?
Thanks for watching. It's toy time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Now get out there and play.